In this video, I'm going to show you how to install WordPress on DirectAdmin cPanel. This tutorial is not limited to only DirectAdmin cPanel. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to install WordPress using any control panel. To install WordPress on DirectAdmin cPanel, you first of all have to log into your cPanel account. I'm using HooperWeb DirectAdmin cPanel. Now, if you don't have a domain name and web hosting yet, you can go to hooperweb.com to get one for your business. I will link up a video in the description down below that will walk you through step by step as to how to get your own custom domain name and web hosting with HooperWeb. That being said, let's go ahead and install WordPress. So upon login, I scroll down to Extra Features, then I click on Software Close Auto Installer. With Software Close Auto Installer, you are just a few clicks away from installing WordPress. Right here, I have WordPress. I can easily go ahead and click on Install. Or if you can't see WordPress here, you can also click on WordPress from here. Or you can search for WordPress using the search box. I'll just go ahead and click on Install from here. Under Choose Installation URL, you need to make sure that the protocol is set to HTTPS. Since HooperWeb will be giving you free SSL certificate, it's very important to have a secure website with HTTPS. In here is the domain where I want to install WordPress. In directory, you don't want to put anything there, so I'll remove WP or whatever you see in here. Now, if you enter anything here and install WordPress, users of your website will not be able to get your website when they enter your domain name. They will only have access to your website after entering your domain name / whatever text you'll be entering under in directory. So you don't want this. Going down to site settings, in here, you go ahead and enter the name of your website as well as the site description. So I'll go ahead and enter my website name. And then the site description. Next is admin account. In here, you need to choose your admin username, admin password, as well as admin email address. These are the details you use to log into your WordPress website in order to edit it. So I'll go ahead and enter my admin username. Take note, I would advise not to use admin as your username or webmaster. Always try to use a custom username. Next is password. I'll first of all hide this for obvious reasons. Next is admin email. In here, you can go ahead and enter your email address. I'll leave this particular email address because I've already created it. Going down, you can choose the language which is currently set to English. I leave it as it is. Scrolling down to the end, I click on Install. And WordPress will install in some few seconds. I am doing this in real time. And boom, we are right there. Congratulations, the software was installed successfully. I can click here on the URL to take me to my website to open in a new tab. And we are right there. Awesome. So from here, you can go ahead and log into your website and start customizing it. Now, if you don't have a website yet and you want to learn how to create your own website, I have a link in the description down below that will walk you through step by step as to how to create your own website. So that's it on how to install WordPress on DirectAdmin cPanel. I hope this video was helpful. If you found value, kindly hit the like button, subscribe, and also enable the notification bell so that you won't miss out on future videos. Keep watching, and I'll see you in the next one.